Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys how to set up a working live camera mod to your Gorilla Tag copy. This is not going to be like others where they make you download a package from their server. This is going to be step by step on how to set it up. Shouldn't be too hard if you follow each steps. So let's get right into the video. The first thing what you want to do is join my Unity server, which is in the link in the description. You want to join, and first thing you're gonna have to do is verify, but all you do is click a check mark. It's really easy. And then you want to scroll down to this category called Gorilla Tag Copy Tutorials and find Working Live Camera Mod. So after you found that channel, what you want to do is find this link right here, click it. Once you're in here, you'll see LCK SDK and Live SDK. You do not want this one. This is for like Steam and PC VR games. What you want is this one right here, which is the one Gorilla Tag uses. Its request, works. What you want to do is click go to LCK portal. You can rather sign in with your email or continue with Meta. I'm going to continue with Meta. Once you've done that and logged in, it should bring you to this that says create organization. And what you want to do is create any organization. It doesn't matter what it's called. I'm just going to do that so I know it's not stolen. I don't have to redo it. And then for organization type, you just want to click any of these. I'm going to do game developer. And you don't have to fill any of these out because they're optional, but you can if you want. After that, you're going to click create organization. And then after you click that, it should bring you here where it says create a game. You just want to click create game. And then your game name is obviously your game name. So, and then for game engine, you can put Unity because that's the only one you can. You don't have to fill these out, but go ahead if you want to. After that, click create game. It should bring you to this page right here. This is just saying, to agree to not remove any of their branded stuff that says powered by Live, which I'm pretty sure they can get your stuff taken down or probably could sue you for taking their stuff and removing the brands on it. So you just want to click both of these in the checkpoints and then click agree. Right here is your tracking ID. You do not want to give this to anybody, but for this tutorial, I'm making a new one, so I don't really care. But make sure this doesn't get leaked to anybody. And what you want to do next is click download SDK. Now, after that, it should download an SDK, which is in here, right here. And that's going to be the package. But first thing, if you have a Unity project open, close it because you don't want it open, while you're importing something through your files. What I'm going to do next is go to your Unity Hub, find your project, click Show in Explorer. You want to double click on it, go to Packages, and then once you're in here, it should only show these two. I'm going to go back to your downloads, double click on it. If you have WinRAR, you can do it the way I'm doing it. If you don't have WinRAR, just extract it. Then what you want to do is open that Packages folder back up, drag this right into here, and then it should look like this once you've done it. After that, you want to open your project back up, and you'll see something up here that says LCK. Click on it and click Open Settings. As you can see, I already have most of this stuff set up, but I'm going to show you how to set it up yourself. So right here in Tracking ID, you want to go back to that website, and you want to just click on your Tracking ID, and it should copy it. Then you want to paste it in here. Then for a game name, you want to put your game name in here. For recording file name prefix, it should say game name prefix. Just delete game name, put your game name. And then for recording album name, it should say game name album. Just get rid of game name and put your game name. And then that should be all that you need to change here. If your settings don't match mine, just change them to it. Then after that, what you want to do is go to your packages, find the Live Creator package, open it, go to Runtime, go to Prefabs, and then you'll see this right here. You just want to drag it out. And the only thing you should need to change here is change your frame rate to most likely 60 so you get better recording frame rates. And then after that, you want to go to tablets, XR Interaction Toolkit tablets. And then you want to find the tablet that says for direct. The other one we don't want or need, just find the one that says for direct. Drag it out. After you've dragged it in there, what you want to do is go here and you want to scroll, well, click on the tablet and then scroll down until you find XR Grab Interactable. And you want to change your interaction manager to whatever is here. It's already made, so. And if you're like in a fan game, well, this tutorial's not for you, so find a different one. And then make sure these are here. They're just your, grabbables where you can grab it, And then click back up here on your tablet. Go to layer. You're going to set this layer to player. If you don't have one yet, then let me show you how to do it. Click add layer. Find any empty box. Type in player. And then there you go. And then go back to your tablet. Go to layer. Change it to player. Click yes. And then the next thing you need to do is go to cameras. Just open all of these. This is for post-processing or URP, by the way. But you will click on all these cameras by holding down control and clicking on them. You want to go to renderer, change this to URP, post-processing, so where URP pops up. And also, you want to go back to your tablet, scroll all the way down, and change the interaction layer mask to everything. This just so where, everything gets shown in the camera. And it can also, like, not go through things. Now, after that, what you want to do is go to your player, open your Gorilla Player, open your turn parent, find left-hand trigger collider and right-hand trigger collider. What you want to do is set the layer to trigger. If you don't have that already, click add layer, find an empty box, type in trigger, and then set it right here. And then for your tag, you're going to put hand. It should already be made, but if it's not, just click add tag, put a plus. So make sure both of your things have trigger and hand on your trigger colliders. Next, what you want to do is go to your main camera, find cooling mask, and the player and trigger. Make sure these are both on. So you can see that it disappears in my camera if it's not on. So make sure player and trigger are enabled. So what you want to do is click edit, go to your project settings, find physics, scroll all the way down until you find player. Just keep that the same. Trigger, what you want to do is go to the way end and it says trigger/trigger. Just, enable that because you don't want it going into itself. So that should be it on how to set up the Live Camera mod in your Gorilla Tag copy. So what you want to do now is obviously playtest it. Because, it should work if you followed every single step that I did. And if it doesn't work, go to my Discord in the link description and I will help you out. But if it doesn't work, then, if it does work, then good job. If you're in your project, you can go up to your camera mod, and I've already tested it and I know it works, but you can test everything out. As you can tell, recording works. And you can stop recording it. Sorry, it's a little hard in Unity. You can change like HD. As you can tell, the camera's switching. They're different modes. You can make it like phone for YouTube videos. You can mute yourself. you can change the point of views, first person, third person, selfie. You could change the FOV. Oh, it's a little hard, but you change the FOV. You could change the smoothing. You could change the follow distance. And then you can also make the camera follow you, which does work, by the way. It just has a far follow distance, but everything works. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you have any problems, DM me on Discord or join the Discord server and ping one of our amazing helpers, or you can ping founder or co-founder, or you can ask someone in chat. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day.